Ready to unleash the beast on your daily ride? Let's dive into the top 10 naked motorcycles that'll blow your mind. Whether you're a seasoned rider looking for your next thrill, or a newcomer eager to discover the perfect balance between power and control, these naked bikes offer something unique for every enthusiast. From lightweight agility to muscular performance, this list covers the cream of the crop in the naked motorcycle world. First up, meet the Yamaha MT-07. Starting at $7,799, it packs a 689 cubic centimeter parallel twin engine and weighs just 403 pounds. This bike is a perfect blend of fun and practicality. Its lightweight frame and responsive throttle make it incredibly agile in city traffic, allowing you to weave through tight spots with ease. The MT-07's engine delivers a smooth yet punchy power curve, ideal for both beginners and experienced riders seeking a versatile machine. Pro: super agile in city traffic, making your daily commute a breeze. Con: minimal storage space, so you might need to plan your trips carefully or invest in some aftermarket luggage solutions. Next, the KTM 790 Duke, priced at $9,899. Lightweight at 369 pounds with a 799 cubic centimeter twin-cylinder engine, it screams sport and style. The KTM 790 Duke is known for its aggressive styling and razor-sharp handling, perfect for riders who crave a sporty edge. Its compact design and nimble chassis provide an exhilarating ride on twisty roads, while the powerful engine ensures you have all the grunt you need for quick overtakes and spirited rides. Pro: killer performance that can satisfy the adrenaline junkie in you. Con: harsh suspension for longer rides, which might not be the most comfortable choice for extended touring. Now, the Honda CB650R, $9,299 on the tag. Features a smooth 649 cubic centimeter inline-4 engine and a comfy seating position. Honda has mastered the art of balancing performance and comfort with this model. The CB650R offers a refined engine that sings at higher revs, delivering a thrilling yet manageable riding experience. The ergonomics are designed to keep you comfortable on longer rides, making it a great all-rounder. Pro: reliable and balanced, with Honda's renowned build quality ensuring longevity. Con: floorboards can feel cramped, especially for taller riders who might prefer more legroom. Fourth is the Suzuki SV650, $7,299 starting price. A 645 cubic centimeter V-twin engine makes it a legendary daily rider. The SV650 has earned a reputation as a versatile and dependable motorcycle, perfect for both new and seasoned riders. Its torquey V-twin engine offers a lively and engaging ride, with a chassis that balances stability and agility. It's an excellent option for those who want a bike that can handle city streets and weekend adventures alike. Pro: fun to ride with strong torque that keeps the excitement alive. Con: slightly outdated tech compared to some newer models, which might be a drawback for tech enthusiasts. Fifth, the Kawasaki Z900, $8,999 with a 948 cubic centimeter inline-4 engine, weighs 467 pounds, offering a muscular ride. This beast is known for its raw power and aggressive styling. The Z900 combines a high-performance engine with a comfortable riding position, making it suitable for both spirited rides and daily use. Its sharp handling and strong brakes add to the confidence-inspiring package. Pro: powerful yet manageable, striking a great balance between performance and control. Con: not the best seat comfort for long days, so consider upgrading the seat if you plan on extended trips. Sixth on the list, Ducati Monster 797, starting at $9,495, showcasing an 803 cubic centimeter L-twin engine and Italian design flair. The Monster 797 is a stylish and iconic naked bike that brings Ducati's racing pedigree to the street. With its lightweight frame and torquey engine, it offers an exhilarating ride and eye-catching aesthetics that turn heads wherever you go. Pro, stunning aesthetics that turn heads, embodying pure Italian style. Con, pricier maintenance compared to Japanese counterparts, so budget accordingly. Seventh, the Triumph Street Triple RS, $11,300. A 765 cubic centimeter triple-cylinder engine with top-tier electronics. Known for its exceptional handling and powerful engine, the Street Triple RS is a favorite among performance enthusiasts. The bike features advanced electronics like traction control and ride modes, enhancing safety and versatility. Its aggressive styling and sharp performance make it a standout in the naked bike segment. Pro, agile and loaded with tech to elevate your riding experience. Con, pricey for beginners, so it's best suited for riders with some experience. Eighth, the BMW F900R, $9,995. Equipped with an 895 cubic centimeter twin-cylinder and premium features. BMW brings a premium feel with the F900R, offering excellent handling and modern technology. Features like adjustable suspension and a full-color TFT display enhance the ride quality and user experience. Its refined engine and chassis make it an excellent choice for riders who want sophistication and performance in a naked package. Pro, excellent handling that inspires confidence on all types of roads. Con, weight could be lighter, which might affect nimbleness. Ninth, the Aprilia Tuono 660, $9,199. Powered by a 659 cubic centimeter parallel twin and advanced rider aids. The Tuono 660 is a sporty naked bike that combines Italian flair with cutting-edge technology. It offers multiple riding modes, traction control, and quickshifter, making it a versatile and exciting ride. The aggressive styling and sharp throttle response cater to riders who want a thrilling yet manageable bike. Pro, sporty and tech-savvy, perfect for those who appreciate modern electronics. Con, limited aftermarket gear availability, which may restrict customization options. Finally, the MV Agusta Brutale, $11,998. A 798 cubic centimeter triple with jaw-dropping Italian styling. The Brutale 800 is a masterpiece of design and performance, blending extreme performance with breathtaking looks. Its high-revving engine and advanced electronics deliver an intense riding experience that few can match. This bike is for riders who want to stand out and enjoy every twist of the throttle with style. Pro, extreme performance for naked fury that excites every sense. Con, high cost, both buy and upkeep, so prepare for a premium ownership experience. Each of these naked motorcycles brings something special to the table, whether it's the affordability and agility of the Yamaha MT-07, the aggressive sportiness of the KTM 790 Duke, or the luxurious Italian craftsmanship of the MV Agusta Brutale 800. Choosing the right bike depends on your riding style, budget, and what you value most in a motorcycle. Beyond the specs and prices, consider how each bike fits your lifestyle. Are you commuting through crowded city streets, carving up mountain roads on weekends, or planning long-distance tours? Think about comfort, maintenance costs, availability of parts, and the community around the bike. Many of these models have strong owner groups and abundant aftermarket support, which can enhance your ownership experience. Safety should also be a priority. Modern naked bikes often come equipped with ABS, traction control, and multiple riding modes to help you stay in control under varying conditions. Investing time in learning about these features and how to use them effectively can make your rides not only more enjoyable, but safer too. Maintenance and reliability are other important factors. Japanese brands like Yamaha, Honda, Suzuki, and Kawasaki are known for their dependable engines and lower maintenance costs. European manufacturers such as Ducati, Triumph, BMW, Aprilia, and MV Agusta offer advanced technology and distinctive styling, but often come with higher maintenance expenses. Customization is another exciting aspect of naked motorcycles. These bikes are often favored for their minimalist design, making them perfect canvases for personalization. From aftermarket exhausts and suspension upgrades to cosmetic tweaks and performance tuning, you can tailor your ride to match your personality and riding preferences. For new riders, starting with a manageable bike like the Yamaha MT-07 or Suzuki SV650 can build confidence and skills before stepping up to more powerful machines. Experienced riders might gravitate towards the Triumph Street Triple RS or MV Agusta Brutale 800 for their advanced features and exhilarating performance. No matter which bike you choose, remember that the best ride is one that makes you excited to hit the road every day. The naked motorcycle segment offers a fantastic blend of style, performance, and practicality that few other types can match. From the urban jungle to winding back roads, these bikes deliver pure riding pleasure. Which of these naked beasts revs your heart faster? Drop your dream ride in the comments and let's ride into the future together. Share your experiences, tips, and favorite road trip stories to keep the passion for naked motorcycles alive and thriving. Whether you're team agility, power, or style, there's a naked bike waiting to become your perfect companion on two wheels.